And it is goat yard cleaning day. Here we go. We got my daughter Lexi out here hauling some hay. Say hi, Lex.
How's it going?
We got brother E over there with the buggy and daddy Jason over there. We've got the new baby has been released out into the goat yard for the first time and getting used to the other goats. So far so good. We only have one incident, but where Billy, her brother, wanted to ram her, but we're doing good. So big cleaning day. Try and get everything cleaned out before the rain hits. We did the deep litter method in the goat barn, and I don't know if I'm going to do that again, but we'll see. All right, Mama. Hello. Hello, Mama. At least. Are you coming down here, Shamrock? You want me to let you get you down? Oh. Oh, careful, little baby. Get out of there, little baby. Thanks, Billy. Whoa, maybe. Hello, Shamrock. Hello. Watch Billy. Here? Yeah. Go slow, buddy. Just go slow. She'll come to you. She's just playing. She's checking things out for the first time. Yeah. I don't know what she's gonna think of a chicken.
I don't think it's feeding time for the piglet.
Hello, Shamrock.
He's like, did I do that?
I know.
He's like, where is it?
Wait, be careful, buddy.
He's getting quite the goatee, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. I know, Bucky. Or Billy.
Please, I don't. Please.
Hey, buddy, that breaks. Come right on your head.
Gonna run all over the place. Hello, little baby. You get up there, baby? Hi, dog. Look at her bounce all over the place. All right, our pregnant Tilly soaking up the sun. One pile gone. Another barn to do. Lexi's loving her mom right now. I'm sure Jason is too.
Lobe? Did you say lobe?
Bucky, you gotta get out of there, Buck. Come on. Get out of there. We gotta clean it up. New addition to the cleaning crew today, this afternoon, after school is all that's out. Gets to have lots of fun here. Yeah. Who's that goats? Lexi just got done spreading some wood pellets on this barn. Now she's spreading out the hay. Put another fresh layer of hay on. One done. Still working on the other one. Are you guys trying to escape? What are you doing? Huh? Dust bathing over here? Look like you're trying to get out from underneath the fence. Yeah, well, keep yourselves in here. Chickens. Big Daddy Wilbur. Big Daddy Wilbur is basking in the sun. Aren't you there, Big Daddy? Who's a big peg? Who's a big peg? Hey, buddy! The benefits of having chickens and goats share a same yard is you get chicken poop in the goat barn that has to be scraped off, aka not a benefit. All right, we've got a clean barn. Now we gotta get some goats out of it so we can lay down our wood pellets and our fresh hay. Come on, goats.
Drop the tailgate, Connor.
All right, wood pellets laid down. Time to lay the hay. A lot more than that. All right, got some fresh hay laid down. Got a water bucket coming for the stand. Got their baking soda and minerals all set. Good old bedding and hay bags filled. So, about to let the goats in and they will eat up this hay until they soil it, and then that'll be it. Hi, Bog. How are you? Are you ready to let the goats in? Yeah. All right, let me shut the gate. Here they come. All right, you gotta step back. Here comes Billy and Bucky and Tilly. Come on in, guys. Come on in. It is a gorgeous 55-degree day in upstate New York. So we took the day off. Well, didn't take the day off. Took a few hours off work to get this done, because we were about to get some rain and some more snow. So it was time to clean out the barns, clean out the yard. We had about, my goodness, we had about 18 inches of the deep litter in there. I will say it did work well. It kept them warm for sure. At least it kept it a lot warmer in this barn without any heat throughout this winter. So it definitely does work. It's a lot of work come springtime. We didn't have any parasite issues, nothing like that. I think the cold, takes care of the parasites for the winter, but still, I did sprinkle diatomaceous earth around on occasion, sprinkled some lime on occasion when the goats weren't in here, keep the smell down. Overall, it wasn't bad. It's just a lot to clean when you're done and ready to pick up for spring. Watch where you're going. I said, watch where you're going. huge thank you to our cleaning crew today, from left to right: Ethan, Connor, me, Lexi, Jason, and in the front, our little Levi. We couldn't have done it without him. So today was one of those back-breaking but feel-good days where you just totally feel accomplished, and it was great to be able to do it with the family. We were missing my oldest son, Tyler, but he has a full-time job as well, so he had to work. But we had Ethan's help, Lexi's help, Connor's help, Jason, me, and sometimes little Levi, and Grandma was there to watch our Levi. You know, it's one of those times where you just got to take that sunny day and get things done. And fortunately, we have jobs that are flexible with us to take last minute hours off. That is definitely a blessing. And now it's time for a little bit of playtime. Huh, Levi? Levi's going to take me for a ride on the buggy. Yeah, we're going to go check out the fields and see how they're doing. And I hope everybody else had a wonderful day. If you like following along with us on our journey with this farm, please hit the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up sign below. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
God bless you.